Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh Thambal members has asserted that adherents to party's ideology and principle have made BJP the biggest political party in the world and the political party with highest membership. BJP Manipur Pradesh also joined the celebration of 47th Foundation Day of Bharatiya Janata Party at its head office in Nithe Park to take today. Home Minister Govindas Kanthosam, Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Semba, Thongju MLA Thongam Biswajit, Thambal MLA Karam Sham, other MLAs and workers attended the program. Speaking on the sideline, Thambal members emphasized the principles of BJP and the 5 ideological pillars of the party, which include nationalism and national integration, Gandhian socialism, positive secularism, democracy and value-based politics. He also highlighted the journey of BJP so far in Indian politics. He emphasized that in 2014, Narendra Modi-led government came to power and now Narendra Modi has become the longest-serving leader in the country, and it is possible through dedication of the party in service to the people of the nation.
Nationalism and national integration, Gandhian socialism, positive secularism, democracy, and value-based politics. Ideological pillar, mangasna, nakataga thamiba, basic philosophy, integral humanism se, masina maram oira, haiga, Bharata, apogi, Sovisima Samapan, Marpuka, Tarukta, Atal Bihari Bajpayee, non-Congress leader ama, aduga non-Congress party ng gilinga ahan bahog. So ising aniga taramari gidi indha tamaba Bharat ki history da ख्वाइटली सांगबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने ओइरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विषयमा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लेरिबा आइडियोलॉजी अमसुं प्रिंसिपल जुना ngakna satwa adugi miyang सेवा तौदुने मरम ओय हैगा असिदि भारतीय जनता पार्टी से पृथ्वी दा ख्वाइटली सौबा मेंबरशिप ख्वाइटली मसिन यामबा अदुला पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मन ओइदे